Hey guys, how are you? Ezra Levine, CEO of Mascot. Mascot recently released our AI bulk scanning tool to Mascot, which really allows users to take raw card images, upload them to Mascot in bulk, either via phone, via a scanner, in various different ways. And then Mascot's AI will read the card image and produce a listing from that. That means you can list it on multiple channels, or you can just create the inventory so that you can maintain and keep track of your collection more efficiently and more scalably. Let me go ahead and show you how this works. Super easy, and I think you're going to enjoy it. So, first step is go to the left-hand toolbar, click where it says Sync, then click where it says Upload Images here. Please note this is only available for Mascot Pro and Mascot Experts at the moment, so you have to be in one of those two subscription tiers to get access to this feature. Once here, you can tell Mascot if these are single item images, meaning one image contains one card, one front, one back, or just one front. Or if this is a flatbed scanner, meaning some or all of the images contain multiple items. It's possible that you can take one picture and it has multiple cards on it. If so, Mascot can then separate those into unique listings, unique collectibles. Most people do the single items. That's what I'm going to show you. You can also decide if you want to go front and back for raw cards or just a front image. Some marketplaces do allow just a front image, though we do suggest to optimize the listings for success that you have a front and back image on your raw cards. So I'm going to go single items, front and back, then go ahead and click ungraded because these are raw cards. Then do save and continue. Here's where you add your images. You can do it either via dragging and dropping items from a desktop or a laptop, or you can click that images if you're on your phone. I happen to be on my computer at the moment, so let me go ahead and just select some images for example's sake. So I'm just going to grab a couple items. Let's grab a couple more so you get a few more examples as well. Okay, so we have 4 different cards, 8 different images, front and backs of each. If for some reason the items come in reverse order, you can just simply toggle back and forth, drag and drop, so that the front image is aligned with the front and the back image is aligned with the back. If for some reason all the items are in reverse order, highly unlikely, but I've seen it before. It'll just be based on how you drag the items in. You can click reverse, and that will flip the images. So it'll be back first and front back. So then let's get them in the proper order as we have them here. So all the images, the front images are in the front component and the back images are in the back component. All right, great. We're all set. Go ahead and click save and continue from here. This is the step where Mascot will read the raw cards and detect them and create listings out of them. This is processing. It's almost just as fast for hundreds of items as it is for a couple items. So you'll see that these items are now red. We're giving a high confidence score, meaning we're able to detect the image and produce all the metadata needed to create the listing or create the collectible in your collection. Let's go ahead and use this Kiki Vandeweghe as an example. So we can see all the data that is extracted just from a front and back image. We have the player, the athlete, the year is manufactured, the set, the manufacturer, the card number, the sport is basketball, team, league. So remember, you don't have to actually give this information to Mascot. All we need is the front and back image. And from that, we can populate all that information for you automatically. At this point, you could also add a card image, a card condition, I should say. So you can say, okay, this is near mint, mint or better, or any of the other options on Mascot. Also very popular, people have multiple quantities, multiple copies of a single item. So you can go down here and click quantity, and you could change this to however much you want. I'm just going to keep this at 1 for the sake of demo purposes, but you could increase the available quantity of this. Then from here, all you have to do is just put a listing price. I'll just use 20 bucks as my example. And then I'm going to go ahead and create this listing across multiple platforms. So go ahead and click market to list the card. So it'll default to all the marketplaces you have connected on Mascot. I'm going to uncheck TikTok Shop because for right now, TikTok Shop is just for graded cards. This is a raw card, not graded. But I'm going to now list this card to Whatnot, eBay, Shopify, Square, and my card post. So once that's all set, just go ahead and click bottom right-hand corner, confirm listing. And you can see the status of these listings in progress. So we listed it to Whatnot. We're about to list it to Shopify, eBay, my card post, and Square. Now let me just show you the eBay listing that was created. So you can see that this actually went live on eBay for $20. Here's that card that I listed. Hope this was helpful. Any questions, please reach out to us, support@withmascot.com. Thanks so much.